Welcome everyone, today I have a new tracer from T238. This is the T238 Mini Tracer Lite. I'm loving the chrome finish, it's also available in black. I can't wait to see what it looks like on my pistol. Compared to that other tracer, this is tiny. And it's not much bigger than a flash hider. Like the previous tracer, simply unscrew it to reveal the charging port. You should roughly get about 1500 shots off fully charged. I'll be testing this out on an AEP and 2 gas blowbacks. First up, my AEP. As you can see, it's very bright. The fire mode button is on the outside of the tracer, so it's very easy to change the colour during gameplay. I'm now going to show you all the colours and all the fire modes. One long press of the button will turn off the tracer but keep the muzzle flash. Or you can have a tracer without the flash. One final push will turn it off. This is the first mode and it will change colour every few shots. This is the rainbow effect, which will work better with normal BBs. Now time for the MP7 gas blowback. Well, that flame effect looked awesome. Now it's time for the G5. Well, that didn't disappoint. And that was a T238 Mini Tracer Lite. Thanks for watching, I'll see you back at the safe zone.